Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to play Ode to Vivian. We'll start by breaking down the fundamental chord shapes and their transitions. Then, we'll dive into the distinctive fingerpicking technique that gives the song its unique feel. Pay close attention to the rhythm and dynamics, as these are crucial for capturing the original emotion. This approach will help you build a solid foundation for mastering the piece. The core of Ode to Vivian revolves around a simple yet effective chord progression, mainly utilizing G, C, D, and E minor. For the fingerpicking, focus on a consistent four-finger approach, where your thumb handles the bass strings. Ensure your picking hand maintains a steady rhythm, giving special emphasis to the bass notes on the first and third beats. This creates the driving pulse of the song and supports the melodic lines beautifully. Once you're comfortable with the chords and basic picking, let's integrate the melody. The lead lines frequently draw from the G major scale, so familiarizing yourself with that scale will be beneficial. To truly bring the song to life, experiment with dynamics. Play some sections softer and others with more intensity. Adding a gentle vibrato to sustain notes can also enhance the emotional depth of your performance, making it truly your own. Consistent practice is key to mastering Ode to Vivian. Start by practicing each section very slowly with a metronome, gradually building up your speed. Recording yourself playing can be incredibly helpful for identifying subtle mistakes or areas where your timing might be off. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. With dedication, you'll be playing this beautiful piece smoothly in no time. Keep practicing.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.